Welcome back, guys. This is section 5.2 and we have solved all the questions from part A to part F. Today we are going to talk about part G and H. Okay, so let me talk about this G part, and here we have x equal to ABC plus BCD plus DEF. Okay, and here again we are not restricting ourselves to the 2 input gates, but 3 input gates are also possible. So first of all, this step is to see how many inputs do I have. So the inputs we have are here. So all the variables or domain of it is A, B, C, D, E, F. So I will have A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, so these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inputs. Okay, so the lines, input lines are here. Okay, so we have here 6 inputs. Okay, so what are the operations which I have to perform here? So here we can see that here DEF will be multiplied together, and the first gate here will be and. Okay, here BCD will also be multiplied together, and here I will have AND gate here as well, and here ABC is also multiplied together, and here I will have this AND gate. At the end, these blocks, this and this, these will be combined together by using a single OR gate. Okay, so let me draw them here. So the first gate here is between AB and C, so this is the AND gate. Okay, so here 3 inputs. Similarly, the second gate is also 3 input AND gate, and the third gate is also this 3 input gate. So the inputs and these are the outputs. Okay, so the output of the first gate is ABC, so let me give them A, B and C. So therefore the output of it will be ABC. Okay, similarly the output of second one is BCD, so this will be B. Okay, this is C, and here this D. So here I will have BCD, and to the third gate I have here DEF. So DEF, so D, E, and here this what? F. Okay, so I have here D, E, F, which are at the end combined together by this OR gate. So let me draw this OR gate, and this is the OR gate with 3 inputs. Okay, so to the first, let me use another color with it, and this is, let me use this one. So this is the first input, this is the second, and to it I am going to use this third one, and this is the output, and this output is composed of ABC plus BCD plus DEF, and that is the output of this circuit. Okay, so here I have seen that how to implement this part G as well. Okay, similarly for part H, what I have here, let me move down somehow. So part H, how many inputs do I have? So let me first write the statement for it. So the statement for it is H, and that is ABC, and with it I have to multiply with D plus E plus F. Okay, and with it plus AC, and with it I have to multiply C plus D plus E. Okay, so again the number of inputs are also 6, because I can see that these are composed of A, B, C, D, E, F. So here A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, so these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 input lines. And what are the operations here which I have to perform? Okay, so the first operation, as the bracketed operations will be performed first, so the first operation which will be performed is this one, and also this one, because here D, E and F will be added together, and here C, D, E are added together. So let me first add C, D, E. So these will be added together by using the OR gate. Okay, so C, D, E are here, so let me add them by using a 3 input OR gate. Okay, so here C D E, and here I will get C plus D plus E. Okay, and similarly here D E F. So for D E F, let me use another OR gate. Okay, so this is the OR gate, and to it 3 inputs. So D, for the D, what I will have here, for D I have this input. Okay, for E I will have this, and for F I will have this one. Okay, so here I will get D plus E plus F. Okay, so these are the 2 inputs. With this CDE, the multiplication term is AC. Okay, so first of all AC will be multiplied together, and with it I have to multiply this term as well. So as I am not restricting myself to the 2 input gate, so therefore let me use this one here. And the for the third step, this is a 3 input circuit, and to it I have here what, this is A, this is C, and with it I have this one. So what I will get here, AC multiplied by C plus D plus E. Okay, and similarly here I can see that ABC is multiplied with DEF, so therefore ABC is 3 input with this fourth one is also here. So I will have here this 4 input AND gate. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, ABC will be, A will be here, this is A. Okay, with it I will also have this B, and for C let me move down from here. Okay, this is C, and this gate, this is DEF. So from here what I will get, let me write it here. So ABC, and with it D plus E plus F. Okay, so here the output is this one. Okay, these are the outputs, and at the end these are combined together by using this OR gate. Okay, we can see that these are combined together, this one and this OR block is combined together by this OR gate. So therefore this is the OR gate, and the output of it will be X. So it has 2 inputs, one is this, okay, the other one is this one. Okay, so that is the output of this circuit. So the X will be what, this will be the combination of AC, C plus D plus E, and ABC, D plus E plus F, and this is the same thing which we have in part H. Okay, so that is the hardware implementation of part H. Okay, so that's enough for today, and here we have seen that how to solve more complex parts of our question, and here we have solved them by using the easier method, which is to formulate the strategy first, first of all seeing the number of inputs, and then starting from the lower to the higher level of abstraction. So that's it for today, and I will see you with other questions in our upcoming video. Thank you so much.